Okay, so the sound was up to shit in the last one. Let's see what it's like in this one. The car's not moving. I've got the windows up. I got the dog sitting. Had the dog sitting next to me. Not a lot's happened since yesterday. I spent 4 hours sitting on my ass watching two electricians trying to organise power and internet connection to one of the offices, to no avail, because every lead they followed was a blank lead. Led nowhere. So I'm afraid that office dips out. But I got a new double power point. How exciting. I know you must be all jumping for joy. So I got my new double power point that I needed, but stiff clackers on the other one. Can't be helped, they couldn't do it. Follow the consequences up tomorrow. I don't know. I can't understand it. Why the sound was so bad. I mean, yeah, the car rattles a little bit, and I did have the two back windows down because of the fact that it was so bloody hot. It wasn't funny. Today's been quite pleasant. It's a bit hot in the sun. I know I'm starting to sweat in here because I've got the windows up. But apart from that, I can't understand what's going on with it. From now on, when I do a vlog in the car, I'll keep the windows up. It's the best I can do. Yeah, I've had it from Fletch. I've copped it from the West Aussie. Only he gave it to me in another way. It had nothing to do with the sound. Who else had to go at me about the sound? Gaza, he reckons the sound was up to shit. Don't make sense. It should be perfect sound. Like this is going to be. We'll see. So on next time, peace and love as always.